mesro and this word the one more the most no near the atwa but let's analyze them. A year of him swore took a course or say to 2 or 2 4 Nana to 2 ni 9 Eba Mahama ho say en kodai say oye minds yo nti yesrew so wo the police for kra na obetumi ama me na mo agade ho ama me a ebeboa. Toby, do you know what Mr. Mahama told Otumfuo? That he doesn't want Ghana to turn like South Africa. So if Otumfuo pa or better the whole site in Namano, $1 million. $1 million for such a site. You feel the Asante he say, Neura ho sada na papa. Hey, a good year no na Ghana ya de boy ya ho brano. What's the one to me megade? Toby, Akufo Addo ba ye, and Obuasi Gold Mines is revamped and working. Fenipa, affairs before some of them from your constituency. Akufo Addo sanu jumeni bia. The Okaso basic school, nana, he couldn't even build those schools. Toby, the person who promised you that he was going to build all the schools and all those things, Toby, he couldn't build it all. Na Akufo Addo come build it. Na Akufo Addo come build it nice, so. Ha. Nukejo. Eya mama yen kano kure kakra. Eya mama yen kano kure kakra. Ediye no. Chia. Chese, Mahama ba pro. Ya bobo kakra she mafunu nti. Mimpini kura o. Ebe yen toko. Yeso koto aba so also pe Mahama. Toby, yase yan koto aba no. Wo se won krofo ni na nkoto ma Mahama. Akwese pon katamanso for chief no. Mo since I started say year to aba. Want to about my MPP government that. It is there's no development there. Shouldn't you blame your MP, the NDC MPs who have lived there and has worked as NDC MPs in Ponkatamanso all these years and couldn't bring no development there? Nyansa wum. Ponkatamanso for Muntio. Mo sorry ma to NDC MP. Ma say to NDC president. So shouldn't the development trickle down to you guys? Serious pa like Mr. Mejuno ha mentiase. Ghana ankasa de ye fool. Ghana ye fool. To whom much is given, much is tested. Mo amatina pon katamanso. Atu NDC MP NDC Minister NDC BBA yen to me am fat development ambrel Akufo Addo ono no ye president and I was here go to NDC parliamentary no ujira say and you are tired of sword cutting. Why couldn't you tell that to Mahama when he came to cut sword, say he was gonna turn around your whole Pon Katamanso and you couldn't do foco there? Say ye nanka what to Obama NPP MP and NPP government. They said you come for most of the times, almost to my MPP. When you complain, you complain. When you complain, you complain. But whom we want to end this MP, what to end this president? Now, say president now fa sebe ye di ambawa ube blemu Akufo Addo. Enu so free. Enu so free. Akufo Addo. Akaka krawati na wadwuma na wawie na wadane ama young man no ba umia na ono so ato aso because sometimes ya na ye me yaba o Akufo Addo ya na chese to da ya na ho ya me mobo and na de kwakwahwe apa bia ati alege bia sorry and Akufo Addo we Jimmy and Akufo Addo nim nyansa na de ya me ya ne say Ye kasa na sa boy na no nsuo ma se nkuruma nkwan no A+ no no ono so kasa bi. A+. Where is your thinking? With what the president said, say, number one, sir, if he is frustrated, go fix it. Yeah, we are. Now, or no, Sebe. How long has Akufo Addo become president? Medium minimum 4 years and some months. Our president. How long has Mr. Mahama been president and also vice? Only Atamel Sokoye. First term, 4. Second term, 3.5. Ono ankasa so, inti anone 7. Ono ankasa so sign bedi president for 4 years. Me pato 7 plus 4 ya he. What the Atamels half time no? Eka no ho a. Enye 12 years. What at all are we doing in Ghana? Seriously. What at all are we doing in Ghana? Just say yare ben ye yare in Ghana no. Obi ono wire number 1. Number 2 person in Ghana. You are the head of the economic management team, which Mr. Mahama has been. And his last interview, which he said his 6th form economics, shows he said 6th form economics no cry papa Mahama kosua and wan hwenimu anye antene no ho ansua ne ye nti wan hu no economics. As near the Ghana sika samashe ne nsa. Nti no de call IMF no. Because for you to be the vice president, according to our constitution, you must be a bit versed in economics. And so we need economics kakra. Something about governance, there and there. You must know that. Mr. Mahama, you are an MP. You have been part of the decision-making body of Ghana from Bole Bamboy, not today, not tomorrow. You didn't effect no change. You got the chance to become the president. The person who died so you will become president's project. You abandoned and didn't touch it. I.e. Saglime. I.e. University of Ghana Medical Center. I.e. gas oh my God, and then me near you. Fuck man. I wanted this gas plant that Atamel started. Atamel was working on those gas plants and stuff like that. You couldn't complete. Mr. JM, you were not able to glorify the man and glorify Fanti Confederation by finishing his project. To even show how incompetent Mr. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is, the person who died for him to become president, the grave at which he was laid to rest, supposed to be Asumdwe Park, with all the semantics and the meanderings they said, couldn't even keep it clean to keep the man's soul in peace. They couldn't. It has to take an NDC person, Kuku Anyi Doho, to say, Nana Akufo Addo, please help me because Professor Mel so